to my channel. My name is Bisoye Akiomi. If this is your first time tuning in, guys, you are welcome. Thank you for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, I am so grateful you're checking out this video. So guys, today's video is going to be a very quick one. I just want to bring an update to your attention, especially to someone who may not be aware of a new development that was announced from the Department of Home Affairs on the 29th of March. So the Department of Home Affairs announced some temporary measures for foreign nationals living in the Republic that has a pending application in their office. So if you are one of the people that has a business permit, a work permit, a spousal visa, or a general work visa application still pending with the Department of Home Affairs, these temporary measures might be applicable to you. So guys, what they have done is that I think the first temporary measure they did, that they extended current visas of people whose application are still pending. They extended their current visa as at that time to the 31st of March 2023. So considering that there have been a lot of backlog and the Home Affairs office hasn't been functioning the way it should, like there's just been a whole lot of outstanding applications, the Home Affairs decided to, extend people's visas again till the 31st of December 2023. So if you have a work visa, a long visa application like work, business, study, relative, or spousal visa, that visa that expired while you had applied for a renewal, that visa that expired has been extended to the 31st of December. This only applies to people who have a current application within the Department of Home Affairs. So if you don't have a current renewal application submitted and you have your proof, this may not be applicable to you. But if you have a proof that you've submitted an application and it's not yet out, this applies to you. So it means if you are in the Republic and you've decided to leave the country, you could leave without you being tagged undesirable or being stamped as illegal or anything. You can leave the country and you'll be justified for leaving. But if you are still in the Republic and you feel you want to wait to your outcome, you could still wait, considering that you have a renewal application submitted and you have your proof. So the current visa, your visa that expired, automatically is extended till the 31st of March. So all long-standing applications that I've mentioned, PR applicants were not in this category, so I was also looking out for that. But all PR applicants or PR applications were not, nothing was mentioned about them. Only long-standing temporary applications like your work. So if you're working in the Republic and you applied for a renewal, you can actually submit your proof of application to your HR and let them know this is what is currently happening. You have your proof, you've submitted, and continue on that current visa that expired. One thing I found out about immigration information here in SA, that you need to be informed. You need to be informed. You need to be aware of what the changes, the updates, any new law that is affecting us as foreign nationals that are not yet citizens or you're not yet permanent residents. You need to be aware if something has changed and it's going to be affecting you, your family, your work, or whatever it is that you're doing here. You need to be aware. So this is the current consensus that has been put in place for all long outstanding visas and waivers applications that are still pending. You have to the end of the year to still remain on that visa that expired while you wait for your outstanding application. Also note that if you are a student and you have your permit expired on or before the 31st, but you have the proof that you've submitted a renewal application, you can actually take your receipts to the school to let them know you've submitted is not yet out. I even heard that banks have stopped closing your accounts. So if you, for foreign nationals who would use their visas to open bank accounts, once your visa expires or your permit expires, you're expected to take a new one to the bank and update that information. So in case that your bank shouldn't be closed, but if it's closed, take your receipts, your proof that you have a pending application that has been submitted on or before the 31st of March 2023, take that to the bank and let them know it's still outstanding. They would open your account. All you need to do is to be informed, be updated on what is going on, and know what is it that you can do with what you have. So that's just a new update from the Department of Home Affairs. Maybe there are people out there who are not aware. So if you are seeing this video and you know someone who has an outstanding application and is so stressed and they are panicking, they can't move forward, or just let them know they can still use their current visa to the end of the year, pending, considering they have a valid pending application with the Department of Home Affairs. That's the only criteria. If there's any other information you feel is going to be useful for people who are going to be reading or watching this video, you can share it in the comment section. I'm sure people want to stay updated, and I know there's a whole issue about e-visas being delayed. There are a lot of comments about applications not being approved and all of that, and I've been speaking to a consultant, an immigration consultant, on PR issues, on delays, backlogs, and immediately this law even came out, she sent it to me that this is what is happening. So if you have questions or you need advice, or I can actually bring her in, interview her, do an interview with you, but I need to have questions, because I don't want to bring an immigration consultant and there's no questions. I would work with her to bring her, to interview her, answering all the questions that are being put in the comment section. So guys, let me know if you would like that, and please be sure to share this video. Someone out there may really need this information, because it's not a good place to not have a visa, to not have a permit, and to not know how to renew, or to not even know that the your proof of submission for your renewal, it's okay for you to continue to reside in the Republic. So guys, please be sure to share this information with someone out there, like and share this video, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. See you soon. Bye.